Hey guys, wanna know how to change your candle color in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader 5 application, and once you're there on the top left, so simply select the hamburger icon. Now head towards settings, and now right here there should be something known as charts. But if it doesn't appear, head to this charts tab right here and click on any part of the screen and then select this adjust icon. Now once you've done that, scroll down onto VC colors, press on it, and right here you can see two candles, bull candle and bear candle. Now let's just say I want to select bear candle. Now here are plenty of colors you can change from. Just choose one. I'll just go with red right now, and once you're done, just simply select save, and there you have it. Now you can check your charts right here. As you can see, the candles has been changed to red, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.